Hi there, I'm Elizabeth with Electrify DC. Thank you so much for working with us on this year's inaugural Sunday in DC 2025. And to make the day go even smoother, we have created this WhatsApp community group so that we can all be asking questions, be answering questions, be connecting to each other as quickly as possible. So you should have already received an invitation in your email to join, and you can just join from there. This will show up as a community group. So in your home WhatsApp home screen, it won't be a whole bunch of different groups, a whole bunch of different like chats, kind of crowding up. It's like a single folder for group chats that are all about Sunday in DC 2025. So I have right here what I'm sharing is what it looks like when you click on it in your WhatsApp app. And you can see we have a whole bunch of community groups, but I'm going to start right up here at the announcements. First, you will automatically be added to this announcements chat, and this is for admins to share information that will go out to everyone that is in this Sunday in DC community group. The other groups that you are seeing down here that I have organized based on ward are optional groups for you to join. So you will not get notifications from these groups unless you are in them. So we have a couple kind of topical things, topical groups set up. So you're welcome to join a group based on your ward. We also have a volunteers group down here. So if you just have questions for volunteers, again, only people who are in that group can see it. We will have a moderator monitoring all of these groups on the day of. So if there's, just like a question and no one's answering, you're not just shouting into the void. Someone will be getting back to you as soon as they physically are able to. We also have a resources chat. And we have a questions about solar chat. So if someone comes up to your table and they have some sort of question about solar and you're not entirely sure how to answer it, again, we'll have a moderator look at that. They'll point that question in the right direction, and hopefully whoever has the answer will get back to you as soon as possible. And then we have a resources chat. So if people are sharing really helpful links that aren't on our website, or if we need to reshare our website and our map and our resources page there, you can find all of those in the resources group. Again, this is a group that you will have to opt in to join. You just click on it. I created it, so I can't rejoin it, but if you click on it, it'll say, "Are you sure you want to join this group?" Click yes, and you will be in there and be able to see what people are chatting about. You're also, again, if you want to join your ward, you can add a group if you're like, if you see something that people are asking about or a group that people are saying they really want that we don't have here, you can click on add a group and title it. And groups and community. Ooh, you probably won't be able to edit it because I'm an admin. Not to brag. But that is it. If you have any questions about this, you can email me at elizabeth@electrifydc.org. Thank you so much, and we're excited for Sunday.